Thank you very much for the flag event, to be together in the very, very special day. Thank you very much for the flag event, to be together in the very, very special day. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the flag event, to be together in the very, very special day.
Zamadi Korosa, for 15 years old.
Thank you very much.
Okay, we can go now. We go to our class while we are singing. Then like this.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Yeah. Is anybody?
Morning.
How are you?
Morning. Miss Congo. Fine, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you very much.
Philip.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you.
Pauline.
Nice to meet you.
Hilary.
Nice to meet you. I hope I remember all your names.
Rumi Conrad, 15 years old.
Say your name again.
Rumi Conrad, 15 years old.
You will not understand one word, I know. And maybe you think it's a strange song, but it's a Swiss song. It's a traditional Swiss song.
Antonia Cecilia, 16 years old. Elsie Christophine, 15 years old.
Okay. And now I want you to write down the words which I will give you. So there is no wrong, no right. It's just for you.
Loem Elizabeth, 14 years of age.
Ada. Just write it anytime you feel like you want to write.
Sindimba Margaret, 12 years old.
And then the next one is Peter. After, I will translate to you after what that means. It's a fun song, it's not a serious song. Again?
Rangu Maria, 16 years old.
My name is Irong Antonius, 19 years old, known as Motorboy.
Playing what?
Cards.
Ah, and your age?
My age, I'm 19 years old.
Say your name again.
Kandimba Laurencio, 14 years old.
Okay. Men without women don't work. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Karuk Thomas, 12 years old.
Agnesha, I am 17 years of age. My nickname is Andrisha. I like swimming in the river.
Swimming in the river?
Yes.
Hey, Grandma, 13 years old.
My name is Diende Maria. I'm 20 years old. My nickname is Merisha.
My name is Saingoranganisha. My nickname is Rishanti. I am 16 years of age.
Okay, we do the beginning again, but only 2 times, twice, not 4 times, twice.
My name is Rumingo Joseph. I'm 18 years old. My nickname is Keitu.
My nickname is Jesby. My hobby is playing soccer.
And your real name?
My real name is Gervasius.
years old. My nickname is Candy.
My name is OG. My age is 18 years old. Almost my hobby is watching TV by soccer. That's all.
Okay, and now you are all quiet and you speak again.
Mkwe Bernardine, 12 years of age.
My name is Ngewa Henrini. My nickname is Sarisha. I am 16 years of age. I like playing netball.
What?
Netball.
My name is Zito. I'm in grade 9.
You have a nickname?
Yes. Ziku.
Ziku?
Yes.
Jump
the 12 years old.
You are very naughty.
This is my life, oh no.
Oh my God, you saved my life, oh Lord, you saved my life, oh Lord, you saved my life, oh Lord.
Oh, you are so very powerful.
Oh, you are so very